Are you looking to bundle more boxes at a higher speed, struggling to increase your output and improve your box bundling speed? You are not alone. In fact, most box manufacturers we work with have been in the exact same position that you're in. They want to bundle more boxes faster and with less manpower so that they can close more contracts and bring in more business. But they're stuck and they don't know what to do. Hi, Hani here from IMPACK. Let's be totally honest. Finding good operators these days is hard. What if I told you that you can fully automate the bundling of your boxes so that you can bundle more boxes with a higher stack, less banding material, and less manpower? What if I told you that you can do so with a machine that has a short payback period? Imagine the impact this can have on your company's revenues a year from today. How? By adding a stacker to your folding gluing line. This video will cover everything you need to know about a folder gluer stacker, what it is, and what companies it is best suited for. What is a folder gluer stacker? A folder gluer stacker is a stacking system that uses a modernized bundling technology to allow you to automatically bundle your boxes vertically and then send them for banding or strapping. In other words, a stacker is a machine that fully automates your bundling process so that you can bundle more boxes faster and with less manpower. A stacker allows you to take a shingled stream of folded cartons and count them, then stack or bundle them. It then bands or straps this bundle together, hence fully automating your box bundling process. Who needs a stacker? First, box manufacturers who are unable to push their folder gluer's productivity to its maximum potential because their packing staff cannot work that fast, meaning that the bundling process is the bottleneck of the production line. Or box manufacturers who have large production volumes and they want to completely automate the box bundling process. Or box manufacturers who simply want to reduce the daily workload on their packing staff, which could easily represent lifting 4 to 5 tons of carton a day. So does your company actually need a stacker? The real tipping point between deciding whether you should invest in a stacker or not is the setup time. In other words, if your gluer could run faster and your packing staff can keep up with that higher speed, then this is where tuning your gluer would be a better first option than investing in a stacker. Now, if your folder gluer could go faster, but you're not sure how to make it run faster, we have a complete guide that walks you through step by step how to master your folding gluing process and unleash your folder gluer's full potential. Check out the guide below. Now, if your gluer cannot run faster and your packing staff are exhausted from working hard each day, then this is the best indication that it's time to explore options of stackers. You need a stacker if you're exclusively doing banding or strapping. Then here a stacker such as IMPACK's EVERIO stacker is the best option for you. Learn more below about the EVERIO stacker, its features and benefits, and what companies it is best suited for. You do not need a stacker if you're exclusively doing case packing. Instead, you need a packer such as IMPACK's Ergoza or Virtuo packer. Learn more below about the Ergoza semi-automatic packer and the Virtuo automatic packer. If you're doing both case packing and banding or strapping on the same folder gluer, then you need a system that offers both case packing and bundling capabilities. An example of such a system is IMPACK's Ergoza packer. Learn more here about the Ergoza packer and its 3 packing modes. If you've decided that investing in a stacker is the right choice for your company, here are your next steps. Learn more here about what is IMPACK's EVERIO stacker and how it can dramatically improve your productivity and production speed. If you're curious about how much a packer or stacker can cost you, check out our pricing list on our website. And if you've got more questions or want to see our stackers running live in action, contact us today. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.